We're here at Daytona in the paddocks, King of the Baggers Racing. Harley Davidson team's in here doing some final adjustments to get ready to go out on the track. And the bikes are looking outstanding. I think there's 15 Harleys registered for the race and 7 or 8 Indians, if I'm not mistaken. This is the factory Harley team over here. This is the Saddleman Racing team. Looks like they're ready to do battle. These are the super hooligan racers, 1250s. This is a factory Indian race team here. That's some beautiful bikes, man. These are really fast. Just stunning. They also have a hooligan team out there too. Just talking to the mechanic, he said they're pushing 185 horsepower and doing 186 on the straightaway. It's incredible. Revzilla's got a factory-looking effort here. The Vance and Hines Harley Davidson bagger, freaking awesome. Of course, they got all the factory rigs are here. Saddleman, Indian, Revzilla. This is the Buell Super Cruiser. Very close to production ready. This one has Olin's forks on it. They both have Olin's. Black and gold. This is a kick-ass machine right here. Really impressive what they've done. It looks like an FXR, same geometry and everything. It should be a lot of fun to ride, but way faster. Trask turbo bike. This thing's pushing 200 horsepower. Insanely fast. Dark Horse Racing. Wow. This thing's beautiful. Olin's forks, Brembo disc brakes, custom swing arm. That's a swing arm you can buy right out of the Trask catalog. The turbo can be purchased right out of their catalog. These new M8 turbos are pushing 165 with just a turbo and a cam, 165 horsepower, and they can go up from there substantially, over 200 horse. So it's got a full carbon fiber body kit. It's pretty badass. We got 3 of the Trask turbos here. That looks wicked. Look at the suspension on that thing. Wow. That thing is beautiful. Now this is cool. This is a Pan American setup to look like a bagger. That's pretty wild. It's got the Road Glide Shark fairing, but the 1250 performance motor. I don't know if that's a vinyl wrap on the engine or what, but it's pretty cool.
Trying to get that, it looks like he's doing a really good job. No problem. He's looking at that full fuel.
It's a super hooligan bike. 1250cc. It's badass. Going by at 160, 180 miles an hour. Guys, we finally found the Sly Fox factory Harley Davidson here. Alex Fox is the owner of Sly Fox. They're making some killer components for these Bagger Racing League bikes. They've got the carbon fiber components, the carbon fiber fenders, carbon fiber rear fenders. Legend Suspension sponsors this bike, so it's got the long travel Legend suspension on here. Trask turbo. This is a serious machine, man. They're going 180 miles an hour on this thing, and it's pushing damn near close to 200 horsepower if I was a betting man. Olin suspension, alloy art manufacturing on the swing arm, Hayes brakes, custom wheels. This is as potent as the factory bikes, but it's a privateer effort. So if you're looking for anything for your Harley, check out slyfox.com. You need suspension, look up Legend, they'll take care of you. So the factory race bikes just came off the track. Here for tech inspection. Rain's starting to come in. Hopefully this doesn't screw up for King of the Baggers. Palm trees and road racing. God bless America.